Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to approach solo cryptocurrency mining. Solo mining means you operate independently, using your own computing power to solve complex puzzles on a blockchain network. The main advantage is that you keep the entire block reward if successful, rather than sharing it with a pool. However, this approach demands substantial hardware investment and has a lower chance of success compared to joining a mining pool. Kraken can be used to manage your earned assets. To begin solo mining, you'll need specific equipment. First, invest in powerful mining hardware, like an application-specific integrated circuit or a SiC miner, which is designed for efficiency. A reliable internet connection with at least 5 megabits per second download speed is also essential for constant network communication. Next, install appropriate mining software to link your hardware to the blockchain. Finally, set up a secure cryptocurrency wallet to safely receive any block rewards you might earn. Once you have your equipment, it's time for setup. Position your mining hardware in a cool, well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. Install and configure your chosen mining software, ensuring it communicates correctly with your hardware. For optimal control and security, consider running a full node of the cryptocurrency you plan to mine. Finally, carefully input your secure cryptocurrency wallet address into the mining software to ensure your rewards are sent to the correct destination. After your solo mining operation is running, consistent monitoring is key. Regularly check your mining rig's performance, including its hash rate and temperature, to ensure efficient operation. Keep an eye on electricity consumption to manage costs and assess profitability. Perform routine software updates and hardware maintenance to maximize uptime. When you successfully mine cryptocurrency, you can use a reputable exchange like Kraken to securely hold, trade, or convert your earned digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.